Hi, I'm Teacher Francis and this is Lulu. We live in the mountains of Mexico and it's cold here today in the morning. So I'm going to make us Mexican hot chocolate. Here's how I do it. First, I get a mug, my favorite mug, and I put in the mug a large scoop of cocoa powder. A scoop of cocoa powder. Next, I get some cinnamon and I put a small scoop of cinnamon, just a little bit, in the mug. Next, so a small scoop of cinnamon. Next, I take a pinch of salt. A pinch of salt. Then I take 4 drops of sweetener like stevia. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 drops of sweetener. Next, I take a dollop of whipping cream. Here's a dollop. Whoop. A dollop of whipping cream. Then I fill my mug with boiling water all the way to the top. And I stir and enjoy. Oh, delicious. Yum. Bye-bye.